Beverage Italian soda. The first thing is to fill half the blender with water. Then we put 5 cut strawberries in the blender. For step 3, we will put 3 tablespoons of sugar in water with strawberries. After all, we cover the blender and we turn it on. After the strawberries are dissolved, you will put a little mineral water so that the drink is finished.
First, we are putting the chorizo in the pan. Then, we put the pan on the grill. Then, we put the cheese in the pan and send it back to the grill. When it is ready and has that color, we take it out and wait for it to cool down to prepare our rich tacos.
First we put the carbon. Then we prepare the meat with salt and pepper. Then we put the sausage in the grill. After we turned the meat. Then we put more salt on it. And then we turned the meat over. And then we took it out. Here we have more meat and we put it in the grill.
Dessert. For the dessert, we'll need to make a dough. First, we need 1 cup of warm milk and 1 envelope of yeast. We need to mix until it's mixed and we can not distinguish the yeast in the milk. Then we need to add the 1/3 of unsalted butter to another bowl. And 1 cup, half a cup of white sugar. We need to mix the butter with the sugar. Then we add 2 eggs one by one. We add 1 egg and mix, and then we add the other egg. We continue mixing. Now we need to add the flour. We add the flour until is like the mass is going to look like sand from beach. The 4 flour cups. Now we can see that it looks like sand. When it looks like sand, we add the milk with the yeast and mix it. We add some flour again to make the dough look like a normal dough, not like a mix. We extend the dough. Now for the filling we need 1 cup of brown sugar, and 3 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. We mix it and then we add the butter. It's 1 bar that if you want to put 1/3 of cup, you need to only add the bar complete. We mix it until we'll have like this kind of mess. But now we are going to leave that to make the dough. We need to extend the dough like a rectangle. When it's a rectangle, the dough, we will need to add the cinnamon mix. When we add it, we need to roll it and make a big roll. Then we cut it like this to make the rolls. When we cut it in the sizes that we want our rolls, we will put it ready to put into the oven with some flour on the bottom, that it will help us to don't the rolls don't get paste in the charola. We will put it in the oven for 30 minutes in 200 Celsius. Obviously, every oven is different, so you will need to be checking, but we put it like that to make it faster. And finally, we will have our cinnamon rolls.